What's good, y'all? It's your boy Terrell here. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while. Just had some things going on. Just had to focus up on work and life stuff. So just had to take a break from videos, but bring you guys back with another video today. Back in my Octane Red Challenger, yes sir. Got the paddle shifters in the XXT. What you talking about? Today we finna stop by my boy's house again and chop it up. It's always cool to go see my boy. And he finna go to work too, so if I catch him before he leave, that'd be cool. Back up a little bit. It's not too hot today, but I got a hoodie on, so that's what we on right now. I don't even know why I just did that. Me looking over like this. I don't know why I just did that. Been a little minute. I guess I'm a little rusty. I'm gonna be back and forth with the talking and not talking. Just kinda cruising. Those are cool, right? Sometimes it's cool just to get a video where you just get to hear the car more. But with that being said, y'all, I'm gonna be back when I'm back on the interstate. Bro. That's clean. Woo! girl took the other exit. That's one way to start a POV drive. Do it again. Yeah. That was a GTO, man.
It's a Kia, baby.
It's just a Kia.
You see that silver Challenger over there?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Terrell here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I know this video has been all over the place, but bear with me. Now that we're back to the main point of the video, I wanted to show you guys what I got. So I just ordered some mufflers for my Challenger, and they're called Bigboz. I don't know if you've ever heard of them, but here it is. And of course, struggling. And of course, I did get two of them, because of course, why would I get just one? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this should make my Challenger sound a lot more aggressive, but yeah, it's gonna be exciting. I'll let you guys, hopefully you can see what the inside of this looks like. And yeah, man, ordered these last week. Last one came in today. And that's gonna be exciting. Now, I don't know when I'm actually put them in though, but I did want to go ahead and order them and have them because I did have money put to the side. So now I just need to put that, I don't know, I'm looking over here like I actually have money sitting right here to the side. If I'm not mistaken, the first thing I did was my intake. So the second thing I did was my exhaust. I only did the straight pipe. So now that I'm gonna actually put some mufflers on it, it's gonna have a little bit of some unique sound to it, because with that air raid intake, my Challenger already has like a nice deep tone to it. So with these, I feel like it's gonna have just more of an aggressive tone to it. So that's what I'm excited for. But hopefully you guys stick around for this journey. If you are new, hit that subscribe button. If you have not, hit that button right now. And make sure you guys hit that like button. Comment down below if you made it this far in the video. Comment a fire emoji. Be a real one. Comment a fire emoji. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I'm getting better, I'm going